Alright, so I created that template, which in turn allowed me to kind of figure out where to drill those holes. I have to cut out all the way up to here. So up to this lip here. Alright, so one of the important things you need to do always is you need to drill a little hole on each end of the crack. That stops the spread. This dash is really brittle, so I don't know if that's really gonna help, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And I'm going in and just cleaning up anything that's loose. Alright, so this is an epoxy putty, and then what I'm gonna do is, you want to needle it a little bit, right, before you pump it in. It does have some shrinkage, so you get it in there. And again, you want to get it into the crevice. All right, so this was a much bigger project than I anticipated. So I did fix the crack. So let's go ahead and finish laying the paint down. So booties for the wet paint. I got that one screw in over there. Let me see if I can get it from here. And now I gotta figure out this one over here on this side. Here we go. So we got the dashboard in. It's fairly solid. And the next step is actually to get the steering column in here. So lately I've been thinking I'm recording and I'm not. And that is horrible because then you miss most of the recording. Tighten this up. There it goes in. So this side looks like it could fit, but this side is just way too small. You see, I ended up going with the condor unit. Luckily, so big shout out to ER Works. He lent me this part. I went to send him the money, and he said, "Hey, get the car running. We can talk later." I mean, thank you, dude. Let's do this real quick. So we turn here. Awesome. I'm really excited. Now, this excites me. I don't know why, but so just pop the vents in, and it's really starting to make the whole, makes a big difference. So I'm gonna go put the pedal box in here, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do that by myself. So there's somebody in the car right now. I can't record. I promise I wouldn't catch his face here, but he's in there, and his name is Edwin, aka ER Works. So he's gonna be Mr. Incognito, and all right, baby, he's gonna be Mr. Incognito. But he actually took a drive all the way over here because he felt pity on my soul from me trying to install this the Tilton brake pedal set. So all right, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the wiper arms and motor. I have the whole assembly there. So I just have to clean it up. Unfortunately, I got a ton of overspray on it. I had to get creative because I didn't have bushings, so you saw what I did. And this here appears to be an M8 with a 10mm head. All right, so now unfortunately I didn't put this. I didn't understand what he was talking about the other day when Edwin was here at ER Works. So what I'm doing now, this is what I was saying, that I needed to do the wipers first. But now what I'm waiting for my wife to get back so she can help me hold these down for me while I tighten them up in the bottom. So this plate, so that's the bob that goes through there, and this is in the mount here. All right, so the missus is here, but she does not want me to show her because her hair is kind of crazy, and I'm gonna respect that because I can't afford to lose my helper. But you saw her just now. I'm kidding. All right, so we got the pedals in. My wife is out there helping me out. So right now what we're doing is putting the bleeder box, the pass-through box. So I got all the lines in. The furthest one is the clutch. That's the pedal all the way to the door, and rear, front. Got all the lines in. This was a bear to put that pedal clutch in. So I'm just gonna wipe this down in here and touch it up a little bit just so that it looks more presentable and a little closer to how we had it before we started working on it. So stay tuned.